In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an organizational chart from existing data here in Google Sheets. So if you want to just visualize your data with the use of an organizational chart, all you have to do would be to select that data. Here in my example, I have two columns. We have the state and the manager in charge of it. I'm going to select the data without the headers. Go to Insert in the menu bar and select Chart. Here we have our chart editor on the right. We have the chart type, and the pre-selected chart type would be the column chart, which is not the one that we want to use. So we're going to click on that, scroll all the way down, and select Organizational Chart right here. If you click on it, there we have it. So we have our dynamic data right here. We don't need to click on any of these because, again, we did not include our headers. So let me just resize this so we can fully see what our chart looks like. And there we have it. Now you can easily customize this by going to Customize on the right side. Select Org. We have the size, the node color, and the selected node color. For the size, you can make it small, medium, and large. Let's stick to medium. And the node color, this is our default color. If you want to change it, you can do so. We want to choose the same color as that one. Now you can do that by using this eyedropper tool right here. There we have it. So now we can resize and reposition our chart. And this is a dynamic chart that if I do try and edit this part right here, change it into somebody else's name, there you go. It would automatically update the chart with the new information. And again, you can just resize this, reposition it, and there you have it. Now we have a visualization of our data right here from this table to this organizational chart. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.